Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that have never been here before, my name is Katie and today I'm doing a video that is 100% different from anything I've ever done before. Mostly on my channel, I focus on like beauty, lifestyle, fitness, fashion type videos. This video, however, is a very highly requested video. It's probably the highest requested video I've ever received. And it stems from a video I did about 9 months ago called How to Make Money Online. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. But basically I talk about starting a blog, having a YouTube channel, having an eBay store. And so many people were like, wait, eBay store? Usually that doesn't pop up in somebody's video on how to make money online. How did you do it? What did you do? And so I thought I would create a whole series for you guys. I'm uploading it all at once. It's not going to be like drip content. I'm not making you pay for it, none of that. And this series is just going to focus on how I started my eBay store, how I made it successful, what you guys can do to replicate the entire thing. It's going to have my wholesaler list, everything that you need to make a successful eBay beauty store. You can apply these principles to any type of eBay store that you create. It doesn't have to be beauty related, but this video series is going to focus on the beauty related aspect because that's what I did. So let's jump into it. This is just the introduction video. We are going to go to the next video now, which is for you guys the next video in the playlist, and it is going to be my eBay story that tells you start to finish what I did and how it was successful for me.